Illustrated with detailed artworks of German tanks and their markings, and with exhaustive captions and specifications, Wehrmacht Panzer Divisions 1939–45 is the definitive study of the equipment and organization of the Wehrmacht's armored divisions. Arranged by division, this book describes in depth the various models of tanks in German service during World War II with each individual armored division, with listings of the unit commanders and any famous tank aces. Each divisional section is further broken down by campaign, accompanied by orders of battle, a brief divisional history of the campaign, and any specific unit markings. With information boxes accompanying the full-color artworks, all drawn to the same scale, Wehrmacht Panzer Divisions 1939–45 is an essential reference for modelers and any enthusiast with an interest in the armored divisions of the German Wehrmacht. Find the link below and buy the book now.